Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will show you how to do circular crop on Canva. So let's get started. First of all, let's go to this untitled design. So let me select one image from uploads. Okay, this one. Let's see. Here I have image of Ronaldo. So now if we click over crop, here you can see we can't find circular crop. So for this we use one trick. Okay, first of all go to elements, then type frame, then click on see all. Then here you can see here is our circular frame. Click on circular frame. Now drag the image which you want to crop. Over here I am dragging this to frame. So here it is. And to resize this, double click on the image, then you can resize this way. So our image is cropped in circular form. So you can also try this. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Cheers.